ideas. Please see this one very carefully because this is your homework. I'm going to explain you some part of this. On that understanding, you'll solve this. Okay, I have done two steps for you over here. So I'm going to explain you. Let's read the question. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field is 120 meter. Now length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field. This is a right angle trapezium because one of the side is 90 degree. So this is called the right angle trapezium. So total length of the fence is 120, means if you add all the side, or I can say the perimeter of this trapezium is 120 meter. So it is given total side. If you add all this four side, you will get how much? 120 meter. Now each side is also given, like BC is 48, CD is equals to 17 and AD equals to 40 meter. Now what you have to find? You have to find the area. And this is given AB is perpendicular to AB is perpendicular to AD and BC. So you need to understand few things, like first you have to find the area. What is the formula of area? Sum of the parallel side, means this two, half into sum of this parallel side into height, So height, where is the height? This is not the height because this is a slanting line, isn't it? I already told you height means it should be straight perpendicular line. So that's why to find the height of this, you should find this one because this is right angle. So this is straight perpendicular. So you need to find the length of AB. So first of all, my work is what we have here in the question. The length of the fence of a trapezium is 120. Total length is 120. See, total length is 120, isn't it? Now from this sum of the 4, if you subtract this 3, you'll get the length of this. I am again telling you. See, 120 means sum of 4 side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding all the 4 side, you get 120. This one. Now if you subtract these 3, you will get this fourth one, isn't it? So that's why you have to find this one first. Length of AB or height of trapezium equals to 120, that is the total length of the fence, minus you have to subtract these 3 sides. By adding this 3, you get 105, and by subtracting you get 15. So 15 is the length of AB. Are you clear? 15 is the length of AB. Now we know the height is 15. Now you can easily take out what is the area of this field. Sum of the parallel side, half into sum of this two parallel side into height is now 15. So you please do it that. This is your homework. Okay, let's move to next question. That is question number 4.